Hi guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today we are going to play Roblox again, but I hope this will go well. We're gonna play Dream Island. So let's see, let's collect this reward. Gonna play Dream Island. We're gonna play Dream Island, so I wonder what's gonna happen here. So wait a minute, is this saying there's some let's see, I think this is where you can spawn a. You need cash to buy vehicles? Dude, seriously? What's in the adopt center? Let's check everything here. Hmm. There's nobody here. There's clearly no. Hey, I'm not a baby. There's clearly nobody here. It's just boys section. Who is that guy? Whoa, who is that? Why is there a person over there? And why is she naked with no sleeves? Ew, 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 ew. Oh my gosh, that's so ew. Eh. Okay, so let's go to a different place now. Ooh, there's that a water park? Hooray! Ship lock, ship lock. Ah, wow. If I keep on doing that, it does that. Okay, so this is. Ooh, what's here? You just. Ah, that was very cool. This is not better than Livetopia. Livetopia is better, right? No, I can't get out. Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh, I thought this won't work. What's in here? Is this like a reservation or something? Uh-huh. Let's see. Owned by Jab 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 blah blah blah. Who's that blah blah blah? I think I'll buy this one. Wow, I don't have enough cash. How do I get more cash? What's here? Redeem. Never mind. I quit this game. It's so boring. So boring. Like it's so boring. It's so boring. So maybe we can do. Let's try and do jailbreak or rally car. Meeny, miny, mo. Catches tiger by its toe. Jailbreak. But let's do an obby. Never mind. Okay, so obby. Climb time. Oh, Minecraft obby. Obby. Obby, I mean obby. Minecraft obby. Hey! Hi. Uh, don't, can you hear that? Don't mind. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I'm recording. Don't mind if you hear that part. Okay, so we played a different game now. There. Whoa. Ah, what did I touch? What did I touch? You don't mind if you can hear that? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can you please be quiet? I am recording. Please. I'm recording from my vlog. Don't stop asking, Chase. I'm recording right now. Sorry, I was talking to my classmate Chase. He's so annoying. Well, not that much annoying. A bit. Well, not at all. I'm just joking. Okay, so what's this now? You can just walk. Why is this guy dumping? Take the easier way. I'm taking this the easier way. Walking. Shift lock. What is this guy thinking he can do? Don't jumping. He keeps on jumping. Look at this. You can just. Oh, I see why. I see why. You must jump. I see why you must jump. Whoa. Okay, is that prismarine block up there? Ah, this is not tough at all. This ain't tough. And why is there lava pouring on here? Why is there lava pouring? There's literally legit lava. Wait. When you walk on those are magma blocks, right? When you walk on magma blocks, won't they hurt you if you walk on magma blocks? And adios. Take that. I jumped over that guy. Also give please and also please give Robux to me when I play. Please donate. And is there somebody here that wants to friend me? Weeboo. Oh. What? This is so easy. This obby is mega super easy. It just says Minecraft obby, is that right? Pew! Okay, what do we have here? Are these magma blocks? You can just walk. See? You can just walk. Somebody jumped over this. You can just walk. All you do here is walk. Wait. See, walking only. Walking, no jumping. Yeah. Do you think I can complete? Let's see if I can wait. How long? Oops, sorry. No. Oh my gosh, this is a long obby. We might not. I make it. Okay, so here. I almost did not see this bridge because it was camouflaged there. Right? Yeah, right. Uh-huh. There we go. Wait a minute. I'm still record. I'm s- I'm still recording, Chase. Oh my gosh. My classmate Chase just said a bad word. Can you hear him? Can you hear him? Don't make it's okay. Don't then it's okay if you can hear. Don't mind if you hear him. If you hear him, don't mind. Don't mind if this is so easy, right? I timing my jumps perfectly. Wait, did I hit any checkpoints? Okay, time to first person view. Look at that, such a noob. Wait, huh? Wait, where do I go? Ah! Huh? Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Do 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 do. Yeah. See, so easy, so easy. Look at this, so easy. Look at this. Oh, never mind. I take that back. Ah, later, Satchel. I'm still recording. I'm using so don't mind that. Okay. So. Yes, yes. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can complete this obby. Because wait, why don't I get damage when you know? Why don't I take damage? This is such an easy obby. Look at this. What stage are we on? We're on stage 36. See? So easy. It's all about speed and walking. This guy definitely is. This is the most super easy obby in the world. I think you have to jump. What happens if you walk? If this guy's walking. What? See? Oopsie, wait. Is this where I'm supposed to go? At the end. Yes! Made it! Ooh. Wait, hit the diamond check. No, I want to beat this guy. I'm racing. I'm racing with him. I'm racing with him. I can't believe I'm losing. I'm racing this guy. I'm racing this guy even though yes, we both fell. Okay, time to go. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. Take that. Jump, jump, jump. Yes, we go. There 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 we go. I'm raging. There we go, 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 there we go. Ha! I'm 48 now. Whoa. We're coming along so good. What if your progress is reset? And jump, and jump, and boom. Okay, we will stop at stage 60. Hope I can make it there. Oh, yeah. Ah, what that guy is. Okay, so once we reach the third part, let's end it. Okay. If I die one time, then we lose. If I die one time, then we're gone. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. Because I'm already end this and I died. Bye.